We are revising October-November 2019 past paper. ठीक है, it's paper 1, यानी history paper. We have completed 3 questions. Now, in today's class, we are going to start from question number 4, part A. अब the students who join me right now, मैं उनको बता दूं कि हमारी strategy क्या होती है lesson की. सबसे पहले I'll discuss question, ठीक है, and then you have to attempt in your copies. After the end of the class, you will submit your work to email me, ठीक है, या आप WhatsApp भी मुझे कर सकते हैं, but after scanning, ठीक है, so I can check your gradual improvement, right? So let's start first task. What was the cabinet mission plan? It's a 4-mark question. Can anybody tell me, जो मेरी क्लास को पहले से ज्वाइन करते रहे हुए हैं and regularly attended my class, would you tell me what is the requirement of 4-mark question? जी
मैम पहले इसमें हम इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे, फिर इसमें हम 4 पॉइंट्स दे देंगे मिस, और फिर कंक्लूजन.
अच्छा बेटा, 4 facts you are giving here, ठीक है. अब 4 facts को you have to arrange with intro and then comes on next. So 4 facts are required, ठीक है. Abdul Hanan, good. अब now start your answer. Information I'm going to share with you. Now it's up to you that how you are structuring your information. I need 4 facts here, ठीक है. And I give you 3 minutes to attempt this part. ठीक है, it's 9:04. So start your work. Arrange 4 sentences. At 9:07, I'll ask you to read your answer and then I'll mark as well. Right, beta? So get ready and attempt question, please. Ji beta, those who have joined us right now, please complete question number 4, part A. Right? Ahmed Sheikh, Yahya, please complete question 4, part A. Information I'm going to share with you. You just arrange your information. Ji, Ahmed Khalid. Yes. I repeat instructions. Just start to attempt part A. What was the cabinet mission plan? Information is provided here. You just organize information accordingly. ठीक है? At the end of the class, you have to submit your work to me. Ahmed Khalid, I'm waiting your.
Yes, miss. Hello.
जी हेलो जी बोलिए. अहमद
आपकी
खालिद.
आवाज है भाई.
हाँ अहमद खालिद, आपका काम अभी तक मुझे नहीं मिला.
मिस भेज देता हूँ.
ये देखो, ये रोजाना तुम ऐसे करते हो. आप प्लीज देखो, यहाँ कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो हमेशा अपना काम टाइम के ऊपर सबमिट कर रही हैं. मोस्टली ऐसे स्टूडेंट है और तुम अभी तक उन्हीं हरकतों से बाज नहीं आ रहे. अच्छा, अगर आपने इफ यू हैव डन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 अहमद शाह, तो फिर आप कर सकते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को. अहमद शेख, इफ यू हैव डन दिस, प्लीज डू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, क्योंकि मोस्टली बाकी लोगों ने ये नहीं किया हुआ, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर डूइंग दिस. बट यू हैव टू फॉलो द टाइम मैनेजमेंट. ठीक है, फर्स्ट कंप्लीट ए पार्ट एंड देन कम्स ऑन सेकंड पार्ट. अहमद और के बारे में देखो, मैं अहमद डेली प्रेजेंट देयर वर्क. डेली दे हैव टू सबमिट देयर वर्क. If you must be regular, there must be improvement in your grade. और अगर तुम गलत काम करोगे, नहीं काम मेहनत करोगे, तुम्हारे अपने लिए नुकसानदेह बात है बेटा। Okay, let's start. अब who will read answer? Part A. Who will read? G. Who will volunteer?
मिस एक मिनट दे लिख ले, थोड़ा सा रह गया बस।
हाँ, वहां जल्दी जल्दी, 7 minutes हो गए हैं, 9:07 हो गया, टाइम इज ओवर। जी, Daud Majid, can you give me answer? Or there are many more. Yahya, are you doing answer? Okay, Daud, okay. But please, you have to outline your answer. I'm sharing information. You just give point 1, 2, 3, 4. So in rapidly you can arrange your answer. In a few minutes you can do it. Just give point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write, start with 1 and then comes on next like this. G beta, write down.
मिस मैं पढ़ूं?
जी बोलिए प्लीज जल्दी से, आई एम वेटिंग।
In 1946, Penthic, Lawrence, and Cripps and Alexander were sent to India to find the settlement acceptable to all on the constitutional future.
Future. Ab you will put,
future.
Mind you, you will put full stop here.
Ji.
Right? Full stop. G.
The cabinet mission plan found little common ground between Congress and the Muslim League. The plan proposed an interim government whilst the British withdrawal was organized. ये मैं फिर ये सेकंड लास्ट पे आ गया और फिर आ गया the proposal was rejected and modification made with Congress rejected.
Right, very right, बिल्कुल सही. Now move forward. Abdul Hanan ji beta.
Ma'am, can I read my answer?
Okay, read your answer please quickly.
In 1946, Pethick, Lawrence, Stephen Cripps, and A.V. Alexander were sent to India to find a settlement to all the constitutional future.
Yeah,
they
right.
found out there was a little common ground between Congress and Muslim League.
Right.
The plan proposed a system for India with 3 tiers: the provinces, provincial groupings, and the center.
Right.
Center and All India Commission to be formed, as well as an interim government for the withdrawal of the British. The plan was rejected by Congress and Muslim League.
हाँ, right, very right, बिल्कुल सही. Okay, अब now देखो, we are doing practice daily, so it means that you must have command to attempt 4-mark question and inshallah you will get full 4 number. ठीक है? ये practice करने का ये फायदा होता है. इसीलिए मैं आपको ये बात कहती हूँ कि do practice regularly. Okay, now comes on next. Why was the Cripps mission of 1942 unsuccessful? अब look at this. ये कैबिनेट मिशन के बारे में हमसे पूछा गया था और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 7 नंबर का क्रिप्स मिशन के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है, राइट? Look at this. You will give intro, relevant intro, how you are going to start your answer. ठीक है? And then a compromise could not be reached. ठीक है? अब इसको हम थोड़ा सा इसके अंदर इसको हम थोड़ा सा फर्दर एक्सप्लेन कर लेते हैं इस सेंटेंस को. ठीक है? कैसे हम एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? अ compromise between whom? Can you tell me?
British and Indians.
British and Indians, very right. So you have to add here a compromise between British and Indians could not be reached. Ab now you are writing your answer. Could not be reached. When Cripps mission came to India in 1942, and presented their proposals of transfer of power, now you can give a brief detail of proposal here. Can anybody tell me what was the proposal presented by Cripps mission? 1 or 2 point? Can anybody tell me? Hanji, Ali Kambar, what proposal they presented? Or Daud Majid or anyone else for referring here? Ji, Ahmad Waheed. Yes, I'm waiting. You have to add your information. Ji beta. What proposals they presented? You will
Miss,
give reference here. Ji beta.
Miss, the proposals that they
Hmm.
presented उसमें एक ये भी था कि India would be divided into a Hindu majority area,
Hmm.
a Muslim majority area, और फिर एक जो minority area होगा.
There would be a 3-tier system, right? Right. अच्छा, अब इसको Hindu majority area, Muslim majority area, and third one is okay. It's up to you that you have to add information here, right? After adding information, then you are writing. These proposals were not acceptable. Princely states, right? ठीक है Ali Kambar, but you have to add information in intro here. ठीक है? And then you have to write down the proposals were rejected by Congress party because they wanted immediate and full control over central government. Full stop. The Muslim League rejected the plan because it contained no reference to the establishment of an independent Pakistan. Again, full stop. The British were negotiating from a weak position which the Congress party recognized, demanding that Britain left the subcontinent immediately. Right? Now I'll tell you that I need this answer, 2-paragraph answer I want. ठीक है? Congress point of view and Muslim League point of view. And then British negotiating from a weak position. Why we are using this sentence here? Can anybody share information? Why were British weak at that time? It's a time of 1942. G. Why they were weak?
World War II ही थी.
Yes, very right. Very right. बिल्कुल सही.
World War II
Good.
थी.
हाँ, good, good. Now you have to add information. I'm telling you that this answer would be 2-paragraph answer, but you have to add information here while you are presenting Congress point of view and league point of view. ठीक है? So when you are submitting your answers, that must be detailed answer. Is this clear?
Miss.
Yes.
G. Now comes on next. T beta. It was risk that Japan. Yes, yes. You have to write down in explanation, Ali Kamba, about negotiating weak negotiating point. ठीक है? Yes, you are right. Ab now comes on part C. What Jinnah's 14 points, the most important development in the Pakistan movement between 1929 and 1940. अब देखो बेटा, this is a question related to timeline. टाइमलाइन के क्वेश्चन जो है इसको हम किस तरह से अटेम्प्ट करते हैं, ये मैं थोड़ी सी गाइडलाइन आपको यहाँ पर दूंगी. But first we will start how we are going, how we are giving intro here. Look at this. Level 1. The 14 points were important because they set out the Muslim community's demands. ठीक है? अब you are starting your answer, the 14 points. Look at question statement. In the beginning of the question statement, examiner is use 14 points first. ठीक है? उसके बाद he is using the timeline 29 to 40, यानी after 14 presentation of 14 points. After presentation of 14 points, the events would come. We will discuss in detail. ठीक है? लेकिन सबसे पहले we will explain 14 points. राइट अब देखो हम कैसे अपना आंसर, अपना इंट्रो, रेलेवेंट इंट्रो कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं. अली कंबर, आपने जो मुझे कल प्रेजेंट किया था उसको मैं देखते हुए, देखो आपको आई एम गिविंग द गाइडलाइन कि किस तरह से रेलेवेंट स्टार्ट होता है और रेलेवेंट एंडिंग कैसे होती है, ये भी मैं बार बार रोजाना रिपीट कर रही हूँ. राइट अब लुक एट दिस. द 14 पॉइंट्स वर इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पर माइंड यू दैट वी आर नॉट यूजिंग द वर्ड the 14 points were most important. If you are using most important here, that would be incorrect. Why it would be incorrect? जी बोलो जरा, why it would be incorrect?
क्योंकि मैम ये जजमेंट हो जाएगी और जजमेंट
हाँ, very right, बिल्कुल सही. Because it comes under judgment. और अभी हमको डिस्कशन करनी है. After the completion of discussion, we will give our judgment. ठीक है? तो इसलिए हम अपना relevant start यहाँ से करते हैं. The 14 points were important because they set out the Muslim community's demands. अब एक और चीज मैं यहाँ पे आपको बताऊंगी. देखो, the 14 points were important. This is a sweeping remark. How it is important, ये देखो यहाँ पर हमने इसको बताया है. If you put full stop here, the 14 points were important, full stop. अगर आप यहाँ लगाते हैं, this would be a generic remark. ठीक है? लेकिन when you are adding, because they set out the Muslim community demands, यानी अगर तुमने इसकी importance को prove किया है, तो then it comes under solid facts. So this is a difference between grades. Agar if you are getting C grade, it means that you are providing generic information. But if you are providing solid facts, it means that you are getting A star. Did you get my point? मेरी बात की समझ आई है? ठीक है? Is this clear? अब यहाँ पर इसको कंप्लीट करने के बाद now we are proving it, we are explaining it how it was important. Look at this. अली कंबर, आप जरा प्लीज अब जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज होंगी ना, अभी आप दरमियान में फिर पूछिएगा. ठीक है? फर्स्ट आई कंप्लीट इट. अब लुक एट दिस के इंपॉर्टेंस को हम यहाँ एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं इन फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. अब सेट आउट डिमांड्स ऑफ एनी फ्यूचर नेगोशिएशंस, right, with either Congress or the British government.
मैम हमने सीधा शुरू कर देना है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल ऐसे ही स्टार्ट करना है. और please write in your copies.
बस इंट्रो के नीचे से शुरू कर दो,
बिल्कुल.
मतलब कि पैराग्राफ
No, you are giving the intro and then start explanation from here, from the next sentence, not from next paragraph. Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Ab now comes on explanation. Look at this. 14 points set out the demands of any future negotiations with either Congress or the British government. It was apparent that any Hindu-Muslim cooperation had now come to an end. Full stop. Now you are starting next sentence, same paragraph. Sorry. It also formed the basis of demands for a separate homeland. Full stop. It convinced the movement that Hindu and Muslim communities should form separate nations. Muslim groups were united in support of these demands, which became their ultimate goal. Full stop. Right? Ab now listen me. This comes under explanation, but mind you that we are not giving 14 points here. Ab look at the explanation here. Ye jo sari information I am providing you, it's related to analysis. It means we are not writing 14 points here. We are analyzing the 14 points here. जैसे कि हमने सबसे पहले ही point बताया कि ये it comes
इसको
under.
ओवरऑल बता रहे थे
जी बेटा.
मिस 14 मोड्स को ओवरऑल एक्सप्लेन कर दिया ना.
ओवरऑल एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया, मैं फिर आपको बता रही हूँ. देखो मेरे वर्ड्स को जरा तुम गौर करो. मैंने कहा एनालिसिस. एनालिसिस का मतलब ये देखो कि इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या था इन 14 पॉइंट्स की वजह से. यानी मुस्लिम्स ने फ्यूचर निगोशिएशन की कांग्रेस के साथ और ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के साथ, इनको बेस बनाते हुए. नंबर 2, उन्होंने सेपरेट होमलैंड का डिमांड किया इसी को बेस बनाते हुए. नंबर 3, उन्होंने हिंदू और मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी को ये कन्विंस किया कि वी आर सेपरेट नेशन. और नंबर 4, उन्होंने ये किया कि मुस्लिम ग्रुप्स को यूनाइट किया एक कॉमन पर्पस के लिए, एक कॉमन गोल के लिए, टू अचीव पाकिस्तान यानी इंडिपेंडेंट होमलैंड. राइट? अब जो स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो जिनका सी ग्रेड आता है वो क्या करते हैं, वो सिर्फ 14 पॉइंट्स लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. जबकि देखो क्वेश्चन की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, इट्स रिलेटेड टू डेवलपमेंट. तो जो डेवलपमेंट है वो किसके अंदर आती है, वो इम्पैक्ट से रिलेट होती है. क्योंकि जब हम कोई भी चीज इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं तो उसके क्या इम्पैक्ट्स आते हैं, उसके पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट भी आ सकते हैं, उसके नेगेटिव भी आ सकते हैं. सो इट मींस दैट वी आर एनालाइजिंग दोस पॉइंट्स हियर. एम आई क्लियर?
यस मिस.
राइट. अब देखो इसके बाद भी जो हम नेक्स्ट टाइमलाइन के अंदर जो हमारे इवेंट आएंगे उसको जब हम डिस्कस करेंगे तो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट वी विल अडॉप्ट हियर. जी बेटा, एम आई क्लियर?
यस मिस.
अब कोई क्वेरी, कोई कंफ्यूजन तो प्लीज आप मुझे फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं. अब it's up to you. You can add your information here in first paragraph which comes on analysis. ठीक है, which comes on analysis. लेकिन ये नहीं होगा कि आप 14 पॉइंट्स लिखना शुरू कर दें. Is this clear? Okay. अब नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड, यानी सेकेंड पैराग्राफ के अंदर अब हम इससे रिलेटेड डेवलपमेंट के अंदर कौन सा इवेंट जो है उसको देखेंगे. अब 1929 के बाद वी विल फॉलो द सीक्वेंस. जो एक अच्छा आंसर होता है, ए स्टार आंसर होता है, उसके अंदर जो हिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन है, वी हैव टू फॉलो द टाइमलाइन और सीक्वेंस एज वेल. 29 के बाद जो इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट आता है वो है हमारा इलामा इकबाल्स प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस. ठीक है. अब नाउ कम्स ऑन नेक्स्ट. As well as other developments, please write in your copy second paragraph. Or I told you that leave one line and then start writing from the next line, second paragraph. As well as other developments in the Pakistan movement, were Allama Iqbal's presidential address, sorry, it further developed the concept of two separate nations in 1930, with the Allahabad address in which he became the first Muslim leader to suggest partition in keeping with the two-nation theory, comma, his views became an inspiration to Muslims, full stop. This was first time that a demand of separate homeland for the Muslims came from Muslim League platform, full stop. अब you can add, again I'm telling you, you can add information, but mind you that you are analyzing the event. Do not write the clauses of Allama Iqbal's presidential address. You just add information related to analysis. Third paragraph, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali also developed the Pakistan movement in 1933 with his Now or Never pamphlet, in which he stated that the Muslim community should have their own homeland called Pakistan. Full stop. Third paragraph completed, and now fourth paragraph. The Government of India Act of 1935 introduced a federal system of government, but the Muslim League had expected more concessions from the British. However, it was important to the development of the Pakistan movement, as it was in place at partition and became the instrument by which Pakistan was first governed. Full stop. Last paragraph. The Pakistan resolution or Lahore resolution in 1940 set out the path towards independence. In the 1940s, the Muslim League became the driving force of this process by committing to the establishment of an independent Muslim state. Now we have to add conclusion or judgment here. In the same paragraph, we can conclude that 14 points were the most important development in the Pakistan movement, because अब अली कंबर जो आप मुझसे पूछ रहे थे ना कि हम लास्ट कंक्लूजन कैसे देंगे, अब नाउ लिसन केयरफुली, because it provided a guideline for the Muslims to negotiate with the Congress and British for the acceptance of their separate entity, and convinced them that Muslim need a separate homeland. जी बेटा,
मुझे रिपीट कर सकती हैं?
ये मैं खुद से बोल रही हूँ, इसलिए मुझे रिपीट करना दोबारा से, फिर मेरे वर्ड चेंज हो जाएंगे, मैं कहीं से लिखा हुआ नहीं पढ़ रही, मैं दोबारा से बोल लेती हूँ, फिर मेरे वर्ड्स में भी कुछ चेंज हो जाए तो यू मस्ट नॉट बी कंफ्यूज्ड. जैसे हमने कहा कि जिनास 14 points were the most important development in the Pakistan movement because it provided a guideline to the Muslims that how they will negotiate with the British and Hindus to accept their separate entity and convinced them for a separate homeland for the Muslims. So now in this way we have completed question number 4.